Oh. It's starting to look like a car again. Definitely the way to go. SG Aero's clamshells. Absolutely serious quality. Good man, Gary. It's starting to look like a motor again.
Just to strip it again now.
Aye.
We'll get there.
We'll get there.
24 hours later.
Well, that escalated quickly.
That's for sure it did.
There was a clamshell and panels on it. Now there's not, and there's colour on it. And might I say, quite a nice colour.
Thank you very much.
I picked the colour.
Not too bad for two lads that haven't a clue what they're
Haven't an iota.
It looks good in the dark anyhow.
Imagine how good she looked when she's flying it down the road. Flying down the track, should I say.
Jesus, I don't know. Will it ever get there?
Will it?
It's like a want that.
Serious colour.
Man, Johnny.
Man, Connery. Shake and bake!
Woo!
So, the back quarters are all rib nutted. And obviously it's still in primer, so it's going to have to go for paint. So they stop getting paint in the threads. These little doohickeys have these little yokes. That's how little. Grub screws, M6. And find the thread. Screw them in. That way. Stops the threads getting filled with paint and not having to tap them or clean them or anything. Patent pending.
Get ready, everybody. He's about to do something stupid.
What are you doing?
Jesus, you fucker, you.
A nice bit of black trim beading. So on there. Save the Conors. Will you shut up with that noise? That's Christ's sake. This is not a bad lady with the old gun. He's like Picasso when he was a young lad.
Yeah.
A very young lad.
He was the princess.
The opposite to me own Chinese.
What are we going at?
We're out doing buns in the air. That's what we're going to do.
What are you going to do? Fred Flintstone style, is it? Or?
Good thing you're not a comedian. With a sense of humour like that, you'll start it there.
Next second in the way. Probably still has more effective power than an IS-200 at the moment.
Ooh, controversial. Tell us how you really feel.
King of the pool. Oh.
Go back.
Come back, Ed.
Well, up in the second now.
Turn it around. Let's put the fucking hunter thing in the white fabric full laugh. Oh, Jesus. Ireland, what are you? Go forward,
Will you mind the car, will you?
Go on here, fucking on.
Yeah, it's only mine. I don't mind, I don't even own it. I stole it.
The Viper has come to play.
Good offer, buys it.
The shit we do for the rest of the night. I'm gonna fall this shite here. Sweet as a nut, Joy.
She's as sweet as a nut, Joey. Huh?
He's come back more. Fuck.
Turned around handy enough though.
Now.
No.
You do one of them things that goes, whoop, bang.
Here's one I made later.
Is yours like that or is yours? Standing in the pictures at all. That's therapy, no.
It's nice to see them back shining.
Way better than what it was to look into before.
Manifold things, I love it.
Serious. Which way was it?
Similar.
Yeah, grab one of them because they're going to fall. Don't be video on this shit.
Oh, you want me to actually grab it? I didn't know what you meant.
I wasn't being dirty.
Wouldn't be like you. What do you think?
Dirty minded.
Fucking move that dipstick.
Don't need to call him a dipstick.
Which way was that? It was this way. No, definitely see that.
Doesn't matter.
You grab one of them. The washer out.
Yeah. It's like the beach to Craigie Island.
Actually, Ted, maybe the sound is coming from that stereo.
Starting to come together now.
Slowly but surely.
You'll have to do a full talk-through video of everything you've done and how much money you've spent on the motor.
I don't think there's any video long enough for how much money we've spent on it.
Would you say it's money well spent or?
There's no H on the hearse.
No boy.
Oh, for you.
Copyright patent pending.
Now we just have to get fucking seeds. Sorry, John.
That's alright.
This is pure sketch. Oh, we should film this. Everyone knows it's me by the country.
Yeah, put it on high enough, you can sand it down through.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
You use a mop disc on a grinder.
It's a grinding disc when you look. This lad is plastic. Will I get the hawk and crowd? The boom was back, boys.
The boom was back. All control.
Putting everything back together and now we're still at the dipster. There isn't a part to this car we didn't take apart. Literally didn't everything. And it was
Looking at that now, would you rather put it all back together or would you just buy Winters?
I'd love to buy a Winters, but it's kind of expensive.
Over $4 now, 4
To look well in the back of it though.
Oh, it should look savage in the back of it. If anyone would like to sponsor a Winters, if I'm open to it, start
We're open to
GoFundMe.
all sponsors.
Or anything for nothing really.
They're not the hardest piece of gear to pull apart though, though.
No, they're not. Putting it back is the other thing. Like.
It's like
We
everything.
got the engine back together, we'll get that back together.
Pros.
No, it's lower chancers. Fuck all the water coming out.
It's dripping out of the back end.
Oh, the flange.
Yeah.
Hot flange.
What's on the menu, Francis? Chips.
Food of champions.
And what burger? Chicken, normal,
Beef.
beef. Tomato and pickle.
100% prime Irish beef. No tomato, no pickle. Sure.
No, I got thanks.
Jack Smollett did both have to jam in on me, cunt. Drop him now and we'll just see what way he's going to go. Just mind your hand, friend, see what you get pinched. Are you down there now?
Yeah.
How do you need to go forward? How?
Jack, little bitty. Yeah, this will move, see?
They tried to make a simple bracket, but it's kind of complicated.
It looks like success.
Feels like it too.
What's it going to done again? B-roll.
B-roll. I tried the B-roll, it didn't work. I don't think I have the equipment for the for the job.
There's like cool shots to care music in the background.
That's fair progress.
It's good going, too.
Very good going. You won't feel it to be perched in your new spotty.
What's his new spot?
His new cabin.
Yeah, his new cabin, yeah. New factory.
It's not a Flintstone mobile anymore. It's got a heart.
A heart of gold.
The two shoes were worth that to me. It's like petrol from bliss of boy.
Right, wait.
Like the waves in the